Have you ever imagined waking up richer than when you went to bed? It might sound like a dream, but it's entirely possible, and I'm here to show you how. Today, I'm going to share 5 proven strategies that allow you to make money while you sleep. These aren't quick fixes or get-rich-quick schemes. They're reliable methods used by wealthy people to create passive income and financial freedom. Over the years, I've studied and implemented these strategies myself, and I've seen their incredible potential. Whether you want to replace your job, build a safety net, or simply earn extra income, these strategies can work for you. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to earning money while you sleep. Most people grow up being taught a simple formula for financial success. Go to school, get a good job, and work hard. While this advice isn't entirely wrong, it misses one critical truth. Relying solely on active income where you trade time for money has serious limitations. Think about it, there are only so many hours in a day, and if your ability to earn is tied to those hours, what happens if you can't work tomorrow? Whether it's due to health, job loss, or even just wanting more free time, depending on active income alone is a risky and exhausting path. That's why wealthy people focus on creating passive income streams. These are income sources that keep working for you, even when you're not actively working. It's how they free themselves from the daily grind and build financial security that lasts. For example, imagine owning a rental property or earning dividends from stocks. These are just a couple of ways the wealthy let their money work for them instead of working for their money. The good news, you don't need to be a millionaire to start building passive income. Let's explore 5 proven strategies that can help you make money while you sleep. Now that we've identified the problem, let's talk about the solution. Passive income. Passive income allows you to break free from trading your time for money. In this video, I'll share 5 proven strategies that you can start using today. Investing in dividend-paying stocks, earning rental income through real estate, creating and selling digital products, generating commissions with affiliate marketing, monetizing content on YouTube. These strategies are practical, scalable, and accessible to anyone willing to take the first step. Let's dive into each one and see how they can help you earn money while you sleep. Let's start with one of the simplest and most effective ways to earn passive income. Dividend stocks. When you own shares in a company that pays dividends, you receive a portion of their profits just for being a shareholder. The best part? You don't have to do anything except hold the stock. For example, let's say you invest $10,000 in a stock with a 4% annual dividend yield. That means you'd earn $400 every year without lifting a finger. Now imagine reinvesting those dividends. This is how the power of compounding works. It's magic, growing your income over time. To get started, research companies with a strong track record of paying dividends, often referred to as dividend aristocrats. These are businesses that have consistently paid and increased their dividends for decades. Pro tip: use a brokerage platform to automate reinvestment of your dividends. This ensures your earnings continue to grow passively, even while you sleep. Dividend stocks are a great way to create a reliable income stream. And the earlier you start, the greater the impact over time. Now, let's explore the next strategy. Real estate investments. Next up is a classic and highly reliable method of generating passive income. Real estate investments. Owning rental properties allows you to earn monthly income from tenants, while your property appreciates in value over time. For example, if you own a property that rents for $1,500 per month, after covering expenses like mortgage, taxes, and maintenance, you could still pocket $500 to $1,000 in net income every month. Not ready to buy a physical property? Consider investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are companies that own and manage income-generating real estate, like apartment complexes or office buildings. By buying shares of a REIT, you can earn dividends from real estate without the hassle of being a landlord. Getting started can seem overwhelming, but here's a tip. Start small. Research properties in areas with high rental demand or explore REITs through a brokerage platform. The key to success in real estate is consistency and patience. Whether you own a rental property or invest in REITs, you're building wealth through both cash flow and appreciation. Let's move on to a more modern and scalable strategy: creating digital products. Now let's talk about a modern, scalable strategy that has endless potential: creating digital products. Digital products are things like ebooks, online courses, templates, or even software that you create once and sell repeatedly without having to restock or manage inventory. Once the product is made, it works for you 24/7, generating income while you sleep. For example, let's say you create an online course about a skill you're passionate about, like photography or personal finance. If you sell it for $50 and 1,000 people buy it, that's $50,000 in revenue, all from one product. The best part? Platforms like Udemy, Gumroad, or even your own website make it easy to distribute and sell digital products globally. To get started, think about a skill or expertise you have that others might find valuable. Then, create a simple product around it and focus on marketing it to your audience. Digital products are highly profitable because they require minimal ongoing effort. Once it's up and running, it becomes a true source of passive income. Now that we've covered digital products, let's dive into another powerful strategy: affiliate marketing. Let's move on to a highly accessible and profitable strategy: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about earning commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. You don't need to create your own product or handle inventory, you simply share a unique affiliate link. And when someone makes a purchase through that link, you earn a percentage of the sale. For example, let's say you're an affiliate for a $100 product with a 20% commission rate. If 100 people purchase through your link, you'd earn $2,000 without creating anything yourself. The best platforms for affiliate marketing include Amazon Associates, ShareSale, and ClickBank. You can promote your links through a blog, social media, or even YouTube videos. Here's a pro tip: focus on promoting products you genuinely use or believe in. This builds trust with your audience, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy because it's low-risk, scalable, and works around the clock. You can literally earn money while you sleep. Next, let's talk about how you can turn your passion into income with YouTube content creation. Finally, let's talk about one of the most popular ways to make money while you sleep: YouTube and content creation. YouTube allows you to monetize your content in multiple ways through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and even merchandise sales. The best part? Once a video is uploaded, it can keep earning revenue for months or even years. For example, a single video with 100,000 views can generate $500 to $1,000 from ads alone. If you add affiliate links or sponsored content, your earnings can multiply. The key is to create content around topics you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Whether it's personal finance, fitness, or gaming, there's an audience for everything. To get started, all you need is a smartphone, a free YouTube account, and a consistent posting schedule. Focus on quality content that provides value to your viewers, and over time your channel will grow, and so will your income. YouTube is not just a platform, it's a tool for building long-term wealth. Your videos work for you around the clock, creating a passive income stream that scales with time. Now that we've explored all 5 strategies, let's wrap up with some motivation and actionable next steps. You now have 5 proven strategies that can help you create passive income and make money while you sleep. But here's the thing: none of these strategies work unless you take action. Building passive income doesn't happen overnight, but small, consistent steps lead to incredible results over time. Maybe you start with something simple, like researching dividend stocks or brainstorming a digital product idea. The key is to start where you are and commit to the process. Remember, the goal isn't just to make money, it's to create freedom. Freedom to spend more time with loved ones, pursue your passions, and live life on your terms. Every journey begins with a single step, and the best time to start is today. Think about where you want to be 5 years from now. The decisions you make now can bring that vision to life. If this video inspired you to take control of your financial future, I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 strategies will you start with? Comment below and let me know. I'd love to see how you're taking action. Also, if you found this content helpful, please like the video and share it with someone who could benefit from these ideas. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. By subscribing, you'll gain access to even more tips, strategies, and tools to help you build passive income and achieve financial freedom. Your journey starts now. Take that first step and join our growing community of action takers. Making money while you sleep isn't just a dream, it's a reality that anyone can create with the right mindset and strategies. The 5 proven methods we covered today have helped countless people build financial freedom, and they can do the same for you. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about starting and staying consistent. The future you've always dreamed of is within your reach. Every small step you take today brings you closer to that goal. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep pushing forward. Your financial freedom is closer than you think.